Asilibingelele silamukele ngubabakazi okhulumayo igama lami nguSemingala abanye bangazi ngendlovukazi yoSiba. I am the author of both Dear Black Child It Is Okay and The Dancing Mountains. Namhlanje ke we're very privileged sinenhlanhla kakhulu sihlezi lapha labantu abadala engithemba ukuthi bazasiphendulela imibuzo emibili noma emithathu ngokuphila kwethu njengabantu abansundu njengabantu besiko abantu bemvelo. Kunezinto eziningi engihlangane nazo enkundleni zokuxhumana lapha abantu bexoxisana, okunye ngikubone, okunye ngikusole, okunye ngikuvume, okunye bese ngisiba lesifiso sokuthi uma ngabe ithuba siba khona uma kusenzeka singathola abantu abadala bakwazi ukuthi baseluleke, bakwazi ukuthi basiqondise kwezinye ingxoxo zethu ukuze sikwazi ukuthi siqhubekele phambili. Njengoba nje sazi ukuthi as timelines move forward i-button stick iyaqhutshelwana abadala bayiqhubele kuthina nathi sibe lo mlando ukuthi siyiqhubele kulabo abazele yithina. Ngakho-ke namhlanje ngomzuzwana omncane silawo sinabantu abadala lapha ngizabanika umzuzu nje bazazise ngibe sengibuza imibuzo emibili emithathu enginayo ukubona.
Siyabonga kakhulu bantu benkosi ithuba leli okhuluma phambi kwenu lapha ngumdladla ovela ngale Ntabazinduna enhlanhla yamangwe la ngiyajabula nje ukuthola ithuba leli ukuthi sithi fahla fahla ngendaba ezitshiyeneyo.
Siyabonga. Slow that word lapha dise ukaba umdladla naye ngamnikeza umzuzu azazise.
Ngithanda ukubingelela lonke igama lami ngu-Alfina Mancube Ndlovu. I'm based in UK. I'm a mother, I'm a poet. I'm also an advocate of Ubuntu. Ngiyabonga ukwamukela.
An advocate of Ubuntu. Ngishilo ngathi namhlanje we are very privileged kule subject matter. Sinabantu that are proactive in the issues of culture, in the issues of Ubuntu, in the issues of us as a people. Bese siwa njalo futhi inobaba lapha noKhumalo, noKhumalo umsuzisi.
Angibingelele bantu bakithi. Ngibonge njalo ukuba phakathi kwenu uphiwa leli thuba la namhlanje. Usho ukuthi igama lami Ignatius Masoka Khumalo. Ngidabuka eGwanda eNqameni estays ngaphansi kwendlu noMathela. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Njengoba bengitshilo mhlawumbe ukusenzeka izinto ezinhle kusuka kube futhi nenamba ezimendleleni isikhathi sethu mhlawumbe sizoba silutshwane kakhulu kodwa ke ngizabuza imibuzo ethile lapha ebantwini abadala. Enkulumeni yami ngizakhuluma ngihlanganisa isintu lesingisi lengixolele. Ngeke ngibone okunye siloku kwenza ngizabantu bekhala kakhulu ngokuthi Paul ikhulumelana ulimi lwesingisi sesilujwayele siphila lalo lukhona phakathi kwethu selihlezi njalo futhi naselimini enkulumeni yethu nje sisuke silikhuluma. Ngixolise kuleso sibanga kodwa ke abamndiweni njengomuntu omutsha ngizazibeka lapha mhlawumbe abantu abasha ngithi mina njengomuntu omutsha kuningi kakhulu engikusukayo lapha ngaphandle sesiphila esikhathini lapho esesiphila kakhulu enkundleni zokuxhumana kusuke kube nenkulumo kube nengxoxo kube nempikiswano abantu bexoxa kakhulu ngokuyithina. Ngesinye isikhathi okunye ukuza ukuthi kuyale okunye ukuza ukuthi kuyale okunye uzosale unesifiso sokuthi ukuba ngabe kuyenzeka sithola ithuba nabantu abadala bazokwazi ukuthi basiluleke ukuthi kuyale noma kuyindawo. Umbuzo wami oqala nje uzothi wona mangabe sikhuluma ngesintu sikhuluma ngani? Mangabe sisithi namhlanje sikhuluma ngesintu sisuke sikhuluma ngani? Isintu lesi sigoqela ini phakathi kwaso?
Isintu lesi sigoqela nje ukuyithi kwethu ngendlela ebanzi. Mase sikhuluma ngesintu phela angeke uthi hayi ngizahlephuna lapha ngihlephuna lapha. Sesikhangela imvelaphi yethu. Sesikhangela ukukhula kwethu, ukuphuma kumdabuko kwethu, ukukhula kwethu kuphuma khathesi ngensuku lezi kugoqa yonke into esibambayo. Kakhulukazi ngabe khangela igama leliyana ubuntu njengoba makhiwa ngibabonile ngale Staffordshire labo sibefake esikoleni sabo bafaka isidindo ukuthi isikolo esilobuntu phakathi labo sibedobhile igama lethu and ubuntu lolu lakho ngilithole ngiseGoli ngoNovember bengose for iG20 ngale i-government ye-South Africa yathi Mdladla sicela ukuthi iG20 leyi lathi sifake isidindo sobuntu yikho ke laphana ku-G20 sesithi ubuntu sesikhuluma isilungu kuthiwa I am because you are lapha sesidedela ukuthi asoze ngizitsho mina kodwa ngifisa ukuthi ngiphile ngabantu ngaphila abantu yibo abantu abazathi ngikhona hathi ukuthi mina ngithi ngikhona jikelele ngizibike ngizitshaye ihlombe hayi bathi nxa unjala engxeye usuligola anti babe sitho njalo emuva abadala besithi umntwana nxa ekhula egumeni ungamnikanga imithetho wamkhulisa kahle bathi usukhulise igola egumeni lakho yikho ke ubuntu is the reverse of that
ubuntu is the reverse of that siyabonga babamdlala dadewethu ngizadlulisela kuwe and ngidlulisela kuwe ngokuya ku-timeline yethu la ngibuya kule generation le ngithi ngiyabantu abatsha ngiyibuyisela ngapha emuva mangabe kwesethu isikhathi la esihleli khona namhlanje mangabe kuthiwa isintu what do you hear uzwani wena ngaphakathi kuwe mangabe umuntu ethe kuwe manje isintu uthini kuwe
ngiyabonga dadewethu bese ngibonga ubaba Ntiweni indlela awubeke ngayo isintu it's a broad term singakhuluma inyaka uzophela siqhubeke sikhuluma kodwa ngamafitshane isintu bugoqela ukuba yini wami ubuntu bami singeke sikhulume ngesintu singathintanga ubuntu ubuntu it calls for a lot of things to ukuthi umuntu usithi isintu kulokukhuliswa ukukhuliswa konkhana kuqala kumama oyisikolo esinkulu somntwana sesikhuluma le role kamama esigabeni to society enalana into esithi isintu iyo eyikho ukuba yini kwami umuntu ikhoyo umuntu but ilento eziningi phakathi kule ndlela esidla ngayo ukudla kwethu amagwadla wona lana umkhanya ngasiwadla siba lokuchelesa lokukhululeka asifidi nje umzimba kodwa siyakhumbula lapho sivela khona ukuthi singobani sikhumbula ugogo abakhula lagogo emphekela umkhanya ekudleni khumphana umqondo subele emuva sichelesa sikhumbula into eziningi sikhumbula ugogo ngiyakuse-UK nguse-Manchester kumbe usesigodini somewhere kodwa kule memory kube le ndlela esihlabela ngayo kule ngoma zethu esikhuliswe ngazo uthi uvule indlebe lamehlo ngumntwana kule ngoma vele iculo elabe lihlatshelwa lapha ekhaya ngesigabeni igcine seli-part of us there's a lot so there's music kulokudla kule ndlela okuqakathekileyo ebuntwini esintwini inhlonipho into ebaluleke kakhulu yithi indlela esikhuliswe ngayo ngoba ngesilungu bathi it takes a village to raise a child so isintu part of isintu inhlonipho
right siyabonga kakhulu lapha dadewethu Manxube uthe yena isintu lesi kakhulu seyama ezintweni eziningi kanti inhlonipho ingenye yama foundations sokuthi isintu lethu lesi siphile sime sikwazi ukuthi siye phambili ukhulume into emnandi kakhulu uma sithi yena kuthiwa part of that sintu it's music is part of it. Ukhuluma ngezingoma, ukhuluma ngemgido yesintu, ukhuluma nge whole topic on its own, because esintwini ingoma is not just song and dance. Imgido esintwini, they all have meaning, they all have reasons. There is a whole lot of energy that is evolved and involved. Mangabe sekuculwa ingoma zesintu or mangabe sekusenziwa imgido yesintu, it's more of communication than entertainment. Ingoma zesintu nemgido yesintu. Bakhumalo ngiqhubeke ngombuzo wami lapha owesintu. Mangabe kuthiwa isintu sisuke sikhuluma ngalo kahle kahle. Sengizwile lapha izikhulume phambili zibambe lokho nalokho. Kodwa mangafika ngapha mina ngithi sithini isintu siyini isintu.
Kusho ukuthi isintu njengoba sibashilo nje sezishilo izikhulumo ukuthi isintu sigoqela izinto eziningi. Masikhuluma ngesintu kusho ukuthi sikhuluma ngokuyithi lethu, imvelaphi yethu. Sikhuluma ngendlela esiphatha ngayo. Ngendlela njengoba sisho sikhuliswe ngayo. Ziningi izinto ezigoqela isintu, indlela ukudla kwethu esikudlayo, ngendlela esikupheka ngayo, izembatho zethu, ukholo lwethu ukuthi ukholo lwethu lunjani, vele lune kanjani. Sikhulume njalo isintu nangendlela esithathana ngayo, ukuthi abantu bathathana kanjani. Sigoqele njalo noma masekufiwe ukuthi vele imfa sibamba kanjani, ngoba sike sizwe nje izinto ezenzakalayo kulezi insuku, uthola ukuthi mase sifike ezimfeni la uthole sekwenziwa izinto ezingayenzwa ebezingekho esintwini. Uzwe nje labazi usebesho ukuthi cha phela lokho thina lithi esintwini akukho akusenziwa, kusho ukuthi sesilahlekelwa isintu la. So isintu siyindlela yethu yokuphila, engasho kanjalo nje, ikakhulu nje inhlonipho. Isintu isizwe nenhlonipho. Kungabuzwa kuthiwa hayi thina isizwe sakithi sinenhlonipho. So inhlonipho iyona kakhulu nje ebalulekile esintwini sakithi. Yikho nje ngamafitshane engakusho.
Siyabonga Khumalo. Ngoba Khumalo esithi yena isizwe ngamasiko aso, isizwe ngenhlonipho. Lapho ngalanhlonipho gano loganiselwa ngakhona, mhlambe indlela ethize, kodwa ubone ukuthi sekunezinto ezikhona ngaphakathi lapho ezingabuchazi, ezingabufakazi ukuthina kambe kwenziwa yini, yikuphi mhlambe ukuhamba phambili. Ngiyazi ukuthi izizathu zisuke zibe ziningi, kodwa yikuphi mhlambe okungabe ukuhamba phambili okwenza ukuthi in this timeline that we are in abantu bebone ku-easy or comfortable for them ukuthi bathathe noma yini bayingenise esintwini. Lo mbuzo ngiwubuza ngiwakhela ngalokho. I have noticed ukuthi into eyenza ukuthi isintu sibonakale ngathi it's not exciting, eyenza ukuthi sibonakale ngathi it's not progressive, yikuthi almost always okukhulunywa khona ngesintu akukhulunywa because of the pride of self, akukhulunywa because of the understanding of self, kukhulunywa because we want a blanket to cover ourselves quickly. Because the minute you say lokho engikwenzileyo nasesintwini kunjalo kumbe kwakunjalo, the conversation ends there. Asisakwazi ukuthi siqhubeke sesiya phambili. Manje yikuyini ongabe mhlambe kudala ukuthi kube naleyo environment ukuthi it becomes easier or comfortable for us to either incorporate things that were not there before, or to simply just shy away from taking responsibility and saying, lasemandulo kwakunjalo.
Kakhulu. Hayi lo umbuzo omuhle kakhulu. Ngiyawuthanda sibilo kakhulu. Ngingathi nje ngiqala ngendlela yokuthi ukuphehla ingqondo enjalo, isimo esinjalo. Into phehla leyo mhlambe lulwazi olungekho. Sesikhuluma ngabadala, sesikhuluma ngabo mathupha ukuthi mhlawumbe angazi impilo ezanamhlanje zingenise okunengi, abadala balibala ukuthi indaba yethu bayendlale kahle, ukuthi ime kanjani. ngitshoni ngalokho ngitsholo ukuthi nxa sesikhangela inkulumo yethu emuva lakho endulo lakho siletha namhlanje sikhuluma ngegama leli lesintu isintu silendlela ezinenge kakhulu ukubamba izinto ezitshiyeneyo isintu nxa uphila ngaso awuzifaki wena phakathi kwesiporo sesitimela ukuthi asoze uphume la zilendlela ezinenge kakhulu ukubamba izinto ezitshiyeneyo ngoba lakho emuva ensukwini zabadala labo babedibana lezinye izinto ezintsha kodwa bazibamba ngendlela isintu savuma ukuthi bazibambe ngendlela etshiyeneyo kakhulukazi ngiphose lelo ukuthi emuva nxa sicabanga ukuthi abadala babekhulumani bayibamba njani indaba yokudibana labamhlophe kwelakibo nampa abanye abantu abafanani labo bakhuluma ulimi olutshiyeneyo impilo zabo azingenani labo lani kodwa bayibamba indaba kwakule ndlela ukuthi bayibambe kahle ukuthi hayi ingaphumi emfoleni khonapho lakho ngesikhathi leziyana kwakuzabalula ukuthi abantu bakithi bathi mina sengizaba likhiwa kathesi bona nini ukuthi bebenzani lapha sengilahla konke lokho ngilahla konke hayi zange bakwenza ngoba babona ukuthi hayi kulula ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngesintu kodwa lapho ngicuphe lapha ukubona ukuthi ngaphila kanjani ngitsho futhi indaba emuva khonale thina abakomzilikazi singakafiki esikhona kathesi sadlula ngale singathi kwakuzabizwa ukuthi i-Free State kumbe i-Transvaal sifikile laphana ku-Vaal River kholaphayana kwakulempi laphana inkosi Mzilikazi ikhokhela isizwe sesingenile indlela kholaphayana September 1835 khonapho badibana labelungu laphana Landgrave family kholaphayana kwalwa kholaphayana kubanga umhlabathi lo kodwa into engiqondayo sebe qedile abalungu amabutho seqedile abelungu babona namba abantwana basela bathi sebethatha abantwana laba abantombazana babili omunye watshona endleleni kodwa omunye wasila okuthiwa nguSara uSara wakhula egumeni lesigodlweni sakithi engumlungu ngesikhathi leso wakhula sibili khona phana esigodlweni kwafika isikhathi sahamba nampa amabhuno kwakuthiwa ngama-4 trackers ama-4 trackers babuya esigodlweni sikamzilikazi mashoba hayi bo ndoda lapha ulo mntanethu kathi sifuna ukumthatha umzilikazi othi hayi bo ukhona sibili asoze ngifihlele nawe ngiyani uSara lithi liyamthatha bathi yes samthatha sibili uSara umzilikazi wathi hayi kulungile nxa lizamthatha kodwa ngilesicelo belungu ukuthi hayi liwaphose la amagama ekhona uSara la aziphendulele yena uSara uthi usefuna ukuhamba lana bafika ke bakhuluma loSara phambi kwenkosi uSara wathi hayi ma-4 tracker angilazi mina ngiyekhaya lapha esigodlweni sikamzilikazi ngizakhulela lapha esigodlweni lesi ngizadala imuli yami esigodlweni lesi lakho ke uSara wahlala khonapho waze watshona ezandleni zenkosi yikho ke ngiphosa lelo ukuthi ulwazi into eqatha kakhulu ayikho into entsha namhlanje engayibamba engathi into entsha engachitha isintu sakithi
Dadewethu Manqola njengoba ingxoxo iqhubeka lapha kukhuluma ngilambuza umncanyanyana nje lapha ukuthi ngokubona kwakho njengomuntu omutsha ucabanga ukuthi kwenziwa yini ukuthi abantu abatsha bengabi proactive nangabe excited when it comes to indaba zesintu or indaba ze-self. Ukuthi bona bangobani, their identity, what they represent and what they stand for. Ngoba abantu abasha abaningi, they are excited ngama-issues of life. Amanye wonke nje. But when it comes to isintu, they are always very fast and quick to exit. Ungaraise indaba yesintu mbeyobuntu mbeyokuthi wena ungubani, they are very very fast to exit that conversation. So ucabanga ukuthi wena njengomuntu omutsha ngeke ngifake nje lapha ku spotlight okwanele ngiyaphi assessment yini mhlambe engazi cause ukuthi abantu abasha bengabe excited when it comes to who they are and what they represent.
Ngiyabonga sisi ngombuzo omuhle kangaka. Bese ngibonga amazwi kaBaba Ngweni. As he was talking, I was really getting excited. I'm over 40 years old. But I'm going through a process where I'm discovering a lot more about myself. I'm at a stage where I'm asking questions more and more. Indaba yesintu iyangithathekisa kakhulu.
Okay.
And umbuzo omuhle kakhulu nalo. Ngoba isintu sodwa into enhle kodwa sembona ukuthi sodwa nje singabana siphelela. Ukuthi siphelele isintu lunyawo olulodwa. Olunyawo ukuthi lesi sintu sime njengomuntu. Yokuzwisisa imbali. I-history.
Okay.
Uba kundiwe nibeke kuhle kakhulu indaba kaSera ngiyeqala iyangiphathekisa ngisazoyi-researcha more. Indaba emnandi kakhulu leyo. Uthele ibeka baba bengingawazi ukuthi uSara uzakukhetha ngaphi. I did not see that coming.
Wow.
Kodwa this goes on ukutshengisa ukuqhakatheka kwesintu sethu. Asiladli uSera waphiwa ichoice uthi azikhethe. If I go and research and find that documented, I will have diplomacy, democracy, sorry, edlula lapha. Isintu sethu, why abantu abatsha bengasikhwabithi, nami bengingasikhwabithi. Ngenxa yokuthi I did not know my history. History is not something eqhakathekiswayo ku-community yethu esikhulele kiyo. Abanye abantu balenhlanhla ngoba bakhule ezimulini okulabogogo labokhulu akade bexoxeka kukhuthazwa every day ukuthi lapha ekhaya izinto zenziwa kanje. Ugogo ngubani, ukhokho wayengubani, ozala ngubani. Kodwa abaningi abanjengami sikhulele elokishini yesikole uphenduke kanjalo abadala besemsebenzini. Asizange sibe nayo lana ithuba. Unfortunately, the education system esikhulele kiyo, mina ngiyenze history up to ZJC. Angizange ngiphiwe ichoice ukuthi ngiyenze at O level.
Okay.
Kanti yo i-disaster eyenzakala empilweni yami nanyana.
Alright.
Khona mbona khathesi ukuthi ha angikwazi ukuthi umhlahlandlela wini. Angikwazi ukuthi i-State House yona lana kokubulawayo kujoni vele. Khona ngikuzwisisa kathesi sengingumama wabantwana sengikhulile ukuthi i-State House lesiyana bekuyisigodlo senkosi uLobengula. Indaba zinduna kanti vele indaba zinduna kuyini kuhamba njani. Khona ngikuzwisisa khathesi angifundanga esikole. Angibonanga ku textbook ngoba kangiphiwanga history. So indaba yesintu why abantu abatsha bengasikhwabithi lami bengingasikhwabithi. Ngenxa yokuthi I did not know my history. History is not something eqhakathekiswayo ku-community yethu esikhulele kiyo. Abanye abantu balenhlanhla ngoba bakhule ezimulini okulabogogo labokhulu akade bexoxeka kukhuthazwa every day ukuthi lapha ekhaya zenziwa kanje. Ugogo ngubani, ukhokho wayengubani, ozala ngubani. Kodwa abaningi abanjengami sikhulele elokishini uye esikole uphenduke kanjalo abadala besiya emsebenzini asizange sibe lala ithuba. Unfortunately the education system esikhulele kuyo mina ngiyenze history up to ZJC angizange ngiphiwe ichoice yokuthi ngiyenze O level.
Okay.
Kanti yo i-disaster eyenzakala empilweni yami nalana.
All right.
Khona ngibona khathesi ukuthi angikwazi ukuthi umhlahlandlela kuyini. Angikwazi ukuthi i-State House yona lana yokubulawayo kujoni vele. Khona ngikuzwisisa khathesi sengingumama wabantwana sengikhulile ukuthi i-State House yasena bekuyisigodlo senkosi uBhengula. Indaba zinduna kanti vele indaba zinduna kuyini ukuhamba njani khona ngikuzwisisa khathesi angifundanga esikole angibonanga ku textbook ngoba kangiphiwanga history. So indaba yesintu it's something that ayingene esikolo ayingene ekhaya ayibe intentional. Omama we are the first teachers of abantwana ngoba umntwana ezalwa yithi sifundisa ukukhuluma isesimfidayo. Indaba yesintu indaba yesiko lethu ayihlale elimini lethu kodwa njengoba ngitshilo oqaliseni isintu sodwa singathi isintu is not complete. Take time, learn your history. Sizazi ukuthi singobani. Khona ngifunda kathesi ukuthi uLozi King ngibani. Khona ngizwisisa kathesi ukuthi uQueen Loziba ngibani. Khona ngizwisisa kathesi ukuthi uChaka ukuthi abe nguChaka le power lokuhlonishwa ikhokho nakathesi kungenxa mama wakhe uNandi. That's the power of woman. Isintu sethu sesihlonipha umuntu wesifazane. So I am just excited.
Right. She is just excited. She is very excited, and one of the reasons why I keep talking about identity, culture, about issues of being is exactly what Manu has said right now. I am at a point where I'm realizing that the timeline of those that were before us is at a point where it is supposed to be handing over the baton stick to us. But this is a people that is yet to self-discover. As she just said right now, she said at this moment of life, this is a time where she is just discovering all of these things. And by the way, when you just discover something, it has a tendency of becoming overwhelming for you because it becomes a lot of information all at once. Whereas if it's something that you were born and grew up in, experiencing and learning one at a time, by the time you get to a point where you are supposed to be receiving the baton stick, you are almost ready at that point. But when it is a time when you yourself are just only now learning or finding out that no, this is not actually a tree. It looks like a tree. It has looked like a tree all my life, but it is not a tree. For me, it is very important that we have such conversations because I realize we are at that moment where this baton stick is supposed to be handed to the next timeline or to the next generation, but they have no idea what this baton stick means or carries, symbolizes or signifies. But come on, njengoba kusakhulunywa kulento evukayo lapha again ukuthi looking at each generation le engithi noma ngithi timeline engithi sesifike endaweni lapha sekumele ukuthi iqhubela i-baton stick kulabo abalandela ngemva kwabo nale generation ekumele ukuthi ngayamukela i-baton stick ngokubona kwakho njengomuntu omdala kulahleke kuphi lapha ukuthi abantu laba babe lento eziningi kangaka abangazaziyo ngabo bese kuthi ihlekana labalenhlanhla bayenze lokho ukuthiwa yi-self discovering njengoba etshilo ukuthi I'm just self discovering now bese kuthi iningi liqhubeke ngalowo muqa wokungazazi lokungazwisisi ukuthi bavele bangobani bamelene yini eyalahlekayo phakathi kwe-timeline le lapha lale balandelayo nyamuva.
Ngisho ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi laba okufanele ukuthi baqhube leyo baton stick kulaba abanye wasabona isintu sabo basazi ulwazi alukho kuwo ngakho ngisho ukuthi ngathi mina lento yenziwa i-lack of knowledge ungazi ngoba isintu sethu sona ngoba mawungasibheka uNkulunkulu wasinika isintu esihle kakhulu isintu sethu sihle mawungasilandela kodwa ke ngoba manje abantu ikakhulu nje intsha ayisifundiswanga isintu sethu
into abangayazi
wabona nabazali babo wabazali vele abasazi so abazali mabangasazi isintu kusho ukuthi laba bangaphansi sekuvele sivele silahlekile kuphinde futhi kube nokuhlangana kwezizwe eziningi ngoba nazo ziza nezinto eziningi lezizwe bese abantwana bavele bathathe lezo zinto engamelanga bazithathe sokuba yenye inkinga futhi le so ke ukuhlangana kwezizwe ne-lack of knowledge nokuthi abantwana njengoba bekhula ekhaya even isintu basifundiswe ekhaya ukuthi hayi lokhu thina esintwini sethu senza lokhu senza sebayamukela nje kwamukelwa inoma yini abantwana beza nayo evela ngaphandle so abantwana they get used to that so sekuba isintu sabo so isintu siyalahleka ngakho kanti kufanele ukuthi nje isintu silandelwe ukuthi nasekhaya abantwana bafundisa isintu indlela yokuyiphatha indlela yokuhlonipha wazi ukuthi mangila ngaphandle ngihlonipha wonke umuntu ubaba wonke umuntu umama ubaba kusubaba kuphela ongizalayo kusumama kuphela ongizalayo engihlangana naye olingana nobaba ubaba thina sithe masikhula besithi masibona nje umuntu omdala olingana nobaba ethwele impahla ezinzima eyala isiyakhona besimsiza sithi noma sihlile ebhasini ngihlele ukungena umuntu omdala bekwazi ukuthi umuntu omdala afanele ngisuke angithi kodwa sonke leso sinto siyalahleka namhlanje ngoba seba nama rights ukuthi nami ayinelungelo kwasabona abazali babo sebahlala nje nengane yakhe nje yahlela ingane yakhe la kodwa owesifazana oyithwele umile angakwazi ukuthi hayi ingane yami sukumhlathu umdala so abantwana abakufundi konke lokho isintu siyalahleka ngawo lawo ma-equal rights nangale
nalezi why toxic masculinity has kind of seemed to be winning it's because as in developed nation and kingdom we lost that core that important thing which was bringing us together we had a king so over a century uthule wathizwe so sithi sizalwa besasitshela abadala we were just lost but I'm over 40 now I'm just learning inkosi sikhona and isikhona inkosi now ke lokhu sokusitsho ukuthi sokumele kuhlale phansi kube kukhulunywa lezi zinto and i-conflict will always be part of us but i-culture yesindebele has a way of managing conflict abantu bangadwebana ezindlini kodwa obaba balendlela yokukhuluma labo baba omama ogogo bakhona obabakazi bakhona omama sikhona lathi sesingogogo khona sihlale phansi lapho kuhlupha khona sihlale phansi kukhulunywe so engufundileyo ngonandi lozi loziba those are positive role models atshengisa ukuthi omama ipower silayo siyaphiwa indawo yethu silayo ubaba umndeni sekhululile umama umasuku umuzi ngumama so lapho kumuntu obuhlungu khona asikho sinto sakithi
lapho kubuhlungu khona asikho sinto sakithi I like it when you say isintu has a way of managing conflict because esikhathini esiningi abantu bayaqamisa i-conflict over everything else. We have to acknowledge ukuthi where there is people, there will always be conflict. There is always going to be something that I'm disagreeing with. There is always going to be something that you disagree with. But the progressive way or the way forward is going to be how we manage that conflict. We are born different. We come here different, and that difference is not even a problem. That difference is the diversity that is the spice of life that we need For you to come as you are, and for me to come as I am.
Yes.
But when we meet somewhere in the middle,
Yeah.
we learn the art of managing conflicts, differences, and things that may arise while we seek a way of moving forward together. Whether in personal relationships or whether in societal relationships, at whatever level, conflict will always be there.
Very much.
But the art of managing the conflict is going to be our tool for moving forward. Babukhumalo, ngiyacabanga ukuthi cameraman ngalesi efuna ukusithatha ngendaba yesikhathi. We'll probably create esinye isikhathi for this conversation because I personally feel ukuthi these are the conversations that we are not having.
Yes.
We are talking about everything. There is just so much that we are talking about, but we are not talking about the things that are going to heal us as a people. Because just like Udadewethu Lapha has said, as a person she has hurt and she's even hurting from things with a moment she might have healed from those things a long time ago. So I feel there is so much that we misunderstand between the divine feminine and the divine masculine. Okungabomama nabobaba. Uthola ukuthi into esigijima kakhulu sokuyile conflict ekhona phakathi kwethu. Omama they simply khombela umuntu bathi obaba. Obaba khombela umuntu bathi omama. Then there is no way ukuthi siqhubeke sisiya phambili. Sengivala ke engxoxweni yethu ebabukhumalo. Umbuzo wami uthi zingabe zikhona yini indlela ezokuthi sibuyise le ndaba le conflict sizama ukubuyisana into a space where we are able to manage conflict singaqokisananga amabhathi obubi awukuthi obaba kulamagama aphuma endleleni akhulunywayo omama kube lamagama aphuma endleleni akhulunywayo ingaba khona noma zingaba khona yini indlela to harmonize to get to a space where siyabuyisana and try to learn or to even practice the art of managing conflict between us.
Ngicabanga ukuthi zikhona indlela ezingenziwa ukuthi kube khona ukubuyisana phakathi komama nabobaba. Kusho ukuthi kufanele imfundiso ibe khona. Ukuthi abantu bafunde bazi ukuthi okuqondile ikuphi. Ngoba i-conflict leyo sibe khona kusho ukuthi ulwazi alukho. Abantu ba-interpreta izinto wrongly. Bese bezisebenzisa ngendlela engqondile. So abantu kufanele ukuthi bafunde lokho. Ukuthi abobaba bakwazi ukuhlala phansi bacabangisise kahle ukuthi indlela esiphatha ngayo komama nesirelate ngayo komama injani ibayenza bafile kanjani. Ngoba siyazi kuningi nje of course ngoba zonke lezi zinto uzokuthiwa esintwini ngoba uthola ukuthi manje lokho sekubangela ukuthi umuntu wesifazane engabe saphathwa ngendlela yakhe sekaphathwa nje ngathi uyinadini. Long nje umuntu wesilisa elobolile umuntu wesifazane sekayisigcila sakhe sekangayenza akaphawule ekhaya yena uyena ophawulayo once esho something umuntu wesifazane akaphawule. So kusho ukuthi lokho kukhomba ukuthi awumhloniphi yena vele umuntu wesifazane othe uyamthanda. Ngisuke nguthathe ngibona ukuthi mhlambe angazi noma kusuka uthando olungekho lapho ngoba phela bakunothando kufanele umhloniphe lo muntu ngoba umlande wamqomisa wamthembisa ukuthi uzomnakekela umvikele umenze yonke lento sekaphakathi awusamlaleli manje sekuyilutho. So ngithemba ukuthi kufanele ukuthi lapho kube nemfundiso ukuthi abantu besilisa bakufunde lokho ngoba akekho umuntu wesilisa ongawumisa umuzi eyedwa ngoba umuzi umiswa umuntu wesifazane. Maye ngekho umuntu wesifazane cha ngeke nje umuntu wesilisa khona nje ukumisa umuzi. Eziningi izinto nje umuntu wesifazane ekufanele ngithina abantu besilisa sibahloniphe ngempela abantu besifazane ngoba basandisela imindeni yethu sineyingane umuzi uyanda. Into enkulu kakhulu lesingeke sisenelise thina abantu besilisa ukuyenza. So kufanele sibanike leyo nhlonipho nendlela baningi abantu besifazane impela nje abanamakhono besikhuluma ngalo scale lapha ngesikilo abanye ababekhokhela amabutho so mawubona umuntu wesifazana ekwazi ukukhokhela amabutho elida amabutho manje ngempela uyabona ukuthi ngempela laba abantu besifazana kusho ukuthi amakhono banawo kufanele nje ngempela abantu besilisa sifuna ukuthi sibahloniphe ngibona nje mina ukuthi imfundiso ngifanele ibe khona abantu besilisa into nje nasibuyisa abantu besifazana.
Siyabonga kakhulu Baba Khumalo. Njengoba bese ngishilo inkombalanga isidliwe ikati inkombalanga yesuke yaba nomhawu kodwa ke siyabonga kakhulu ethuba engilifisayo la ngilithanda kakhulu engithi malibona lisenzeka kuvuka enhlanzana yethemba ukuthi mhlawumbe njengabantu njengesizwe singavuka singaphila futhi siphinde siyithathe indawo yethu. Uyisizo sami esikhulu kakhulu ukuthi umuntu wesifazane azifunde azazi abe yazi indawo yakhe and occupy that position with understanding ukuthi power is not an excuse for arrogance. Power is not an excuse for anything negative, but power is a tool that you can use for balance. And also for abantu besilisa to understand the same concept ukuthi power le esesisilwa siyibanga kakhulu kangaka size sibulale lezi zinto eziphila ezisasele phakathi kwethu sibanga ukuthi kuthiwa ngubani olamandla ngubani ophetheyo ngubani obusayo. Balance requires the understanding that naturally we do carry authority, obviously at different levels for different purposes and reasons. If we are able to harmonize and create that balance without necessarily hurting or harming each other, we are going to begin to have a progressive environment where whenever we say isintu, people are not immediately forced to fall into a space of fear and say isintu 40, but the minute the city isintu, people will begin to be excited. Ngubabakazi okhulumayo ngihlezi nabantu abadala igama lami nguSiminkala abangaziyo abanye bangazi ngendlovukazi yoSiba because I'm an author and I am a poet. Abanye bangazi as a cultural preserver ngoba when it comes to culture, when it comes to identity and self, this is where you will find me. Siyabonga kakhulu, asihlanganeni in the next segment.
Kumnandila. Ake ngale ngithobe. Ngibingelela abantu abadala. Sanibonani abantu abadala. Kumnandi kakhulu kuba lana. Kunzima ukuthi sekugiwe kangaka bese kuthiwa sukuma wena ukhuluma. Ngizaqalela kuphi? Ngizaqalela kuphi ngemva kokugiya kangaka? Kodwa yela ngimalele lapha. Ngithi njengoba sephakamile ugodwa omnyama abantu abayithola malala ndawonye bathi yampondo. Awubilisa igodo ngempabanga uyalingelela.
Yebo mama.
Ngizoxoxa indatshana namhlanje. Angithi umthweni uzokwenza ikonde. Mina ngizoxoxa indatshana.
Hawu.
Nansi indatshana engizoxoxela yona. Ithi yona icishe yangibulala inkondlo ngenkathini ngezomlayezo ophuthumayo ithi phakama wehlele ngezansi kuyonakala. Insinde zalesizukulwane zomsindo zixake ngisho abaphansi. Kuphakamisa kazi isamkhweba sathi phakama uyobaxoxela indaba ukuthi emsamo kukhona umhlangano ophuthumayo obanjiwe inkinga abazi noma bangenelele endabeni zenu okanye nina seniphucukile senibasha kakhulu.
Hawu.
Ngithema ngikhuluma nesalukazi ngathi salukazi angikwazi ukuhamba ngiyobaxoxela le ndaba ngoba ngokwazi kwami sebephucukile sebesukile ukuyibo bahamba bayophila impilo etha impilo umolekwa abayithanda kakhulu okwedlula ukubona.
Indaba engaka.
Sithekile salukazi awukazi ukuthi ungajika sohambile ibanga elide wafika la ngoba kukhona ukusina kukaJexeza. Ngathi salukazi kule mpucuka sebephila kuyo abazokungizwa. Wathi salukazi inkinga kulesilwanyane emanzini elingakwazi ukusibona ngoba lina self siphucukile manje angiphuthume nendaba ngizofika ngilazisa ukuthi kunenkinga emsamo inkinga lena niqhubeka niyakwampucuko indaba esemsamo ngithi salukazi umlayezo onzima kangaka ngikwazi ukufikisa ebantwini isalukazi sathi pho uma bephucukile wena usalelene la ngathi mina salukazi inkinga yibumina kukhona ubumina ubuka ngaphakathi kumina ungikhumbuza ukuthi kwakhona mina kungakabi khona mina buthi ubumina obungaphakathi kumina ubumina lokho bungaphandle ukuphila namhlanje akubona ubumina bemvelo ubumina obakhiwa ngezandla zogombela kusabo ngoba bebefuna ukuthi kuphile lokhu ubumina kuzovumelana nalokho abadinga ukuthi kwenzeke ngithe mina salukazi lokhu ubumina kuyangikhathaza ngoba kubuka ngezandla nemjobo ungixoxela indaba yokuthi babulawa bangcwatshwa ekubelweni kwabo akulawelanga isizathu esiphilayo kodwa kwakukhona ogombela kwesabo abafuna iy'ndaba zabo phakame phezu kobumina sithe masiphumele isalukazi sathi kimi pho nizokwenza njani ngalokho ngoba kukhona okusina ukujeqeza ngathi mina salukazi inkinga lo mhlaba esiphila kiwo awunaqiniso sathi salukazi ngempela lo mhlaba awunaqiniso ngithe mangisatele ngilaleli indaba yesalukazi sathi kimi salukazi umhlaba awunaqiniso ngoba namhlanje sithe namhlanje sikhumbula ukhokho kwamina ngikhumbula ukhokho wami wadlule emhlabeni ngingakazalwa izinyembezi zakhe zingumphako wendlela ongikhumbuza isililo sikakhokho wami esokuphila emhlabeni onganaqiniso ngoba umhlaba unaqiniso bayasineka laba bahlala beveza amazinyo bathi ngimkhumbula kanjani ngingamazi kwakusho bani ukuthi angimazi ngoba nginguye kunezinto ukhokho wamadlule emhlabeni engazange angifundise zona ngokwesabela impilo yami emhlabeni onganaqiniso ungamele ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngibhidwe ukuze ngiqhubeke ngiphile ngoba impilo ekuyisona sona isipho anganginikeza sona ithi inkulumo manje sikhuluma kuthiwe isikhuni sitshisa umkhwezelo kodwa namhlanje ngigcina ngombuzo othi wona njengoba lo mlilo wemfupheko usaqhubeka ukuvutha umkhwezeli ushanele igama lami usemikala bangazi ngoba bakazi bangazi ngiyabona usatheyile ukudla yona manje abayithwala manje yabo ngiyabona
ngikhulumile ngathi mina amanye amathalenta awagcwalanga yonke indawo kukalutshwana kuba lamathalenta nje uma sinawo phakathi kwethu kumele siwasebenzise kumele siwakhulise kumele abe luqoqolo lwethu ukwenzela ukuthi kusasa yethu inganyamalali ingachabalali ngoba siyigcinile lamuhla izokuba khona kusasa sibonge kakhulu kuMsisi Kala ngalokhu asiphawulele khona